Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have another spoiler for the September Yes Oh Yes box. Now this makes the 7th item that we're finding out about. I don't know if this is the last one or maybe they got more surprises. So first I'll show you what we already know about and then I'll show you the new one. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track, do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. So if you would, take a minute right there, guys, and hit that subscribe button and also that little bell right there. That way you know every time I upload a video. Now, let's read the first comment on my last video. Congratulations, Jamie Green. Jamie says, oh my God, this is so me. I'm always putting stuff in my carts online, but never got anything for myself. Have you tried anything from Color Cosmetics? Not sure if they have any dupes for what you want, but it's worth looking at if you haven't. I've got a few palettes from them and I like them. Love you, girl. Well, Jamie, thank you so much. I do believe I will go check them out and see what they got. And I really appreciate you recommending me that. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and taking the time to comment and watch my videos. And I love you so, so much. And if you yourself want to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment on this here video. You got 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and be first comment, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end, guys, when I read the comment that I picked from that video. Now, guys, let's get started. Let's jump right in. First of all, you know the theme for the September Yes Oh Yes box. I mean, this must have took them 10 years to think of, but the theme is Yes Oh Yes. Can y'all believe that? Now let's get started with the things we already knew about. The first thing is the Luna by Luna, and it looks like a highlighter to me, y'all. It could be a setting powder, but it really looks like a highlighter to me. Next one is a variant item. Now this is the Urban Decay lip gloss, and this is showing the shade After Dark. I don't know if they got other shades or what. I guess we'll find out. Next thing is the Ivy Beauty Poolside Palette. And then next up, we have the Dirty Little Secrets Lip Gloss. I don't see a shade on this. Don't know why they put 2 lip glosses in there, but hell, you can't never have enough lip gloss. Then the next thing is the Z Skin Age Defying Extreme Moisturizer. And then next is another variant item. Now this is the Lancome Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil. Looks like one of them gel pencils with a smudger on the end. I love them pencils. Now for the new spoiler, y'all. It is the Inmo Cosmetics. Now this is some kind of an eyeshadow, and this is going to be a variant item. Now this looks like a really beautiful sky blue. I don't know if there's more shades or what, but again, we'll find out. And I will update you if they reveal any more spoilers. And if you want to check out Yes Oh Yes, they are linked below. And if you don't get this box, I mean, what you doing? I mean, they are coming out with Lancome and brands like that and Urban Decay. Man, this box is getting to be really something special. But anyways, if you do want to check them out, again, they are linked below. And I do have a code for you to use. It is SelfTaught Beauty. That is in all caps. That'll get you 10% off of that first box. And I do make a little itty bitty small commission off of it, but y'all get a discount. So I feel like it's a win-win for both of us. Let's read the pick comment from my last video. Congratulations, Danielle Smith. Danielle says, girl, I have a broke girl wish list too, but it will take me a long time to get it. Probably at tax time. Laugh out loud. Well, Danielle, you're about like me, honey. It's going to take me a while to get anything on my wish list. Probably way after tax time. Who knows? But Danielle, I really appreciate you taking the time to comment and watch my videos, and I love you so, so much. Remember, if you want a shout out, you got to leave a comment on this here video. And guys, make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking away my subscribers, my views, my likes, my comments, everything. They're trying to ruin my life. That's what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that for me, make sure you are still subscribed. If you're not, what the hell are you waiting on? Get on down there and hit that subscribe button. It's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit the subscribe button. And then I need y'all to rate the video. But y'all only got one choice. You got to hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button has been broke for a long time and YouTube won't fix it. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is turned to on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. So I don't want to see no comments down there saying, I didn't see no damn spoilers. Because if you would have had your bell on, honey, you would have seen it. And that's it, guys. That's all I got for you right now. And I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.